Praskevich.
Yeah.
Where are you, Praskevich?
I'm in left.
Let's go, Savitz. Let's go. Let's go, boys. On a hop. Let's run out there.
Am I pitching? No!
Third. On a hop. Run out there, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, boys.
The Sacred Heart 11s had to win twice Tuesday to earn a berth in the final round of the Cal Ripken State Championships. After an 8-4 win over Mount Laurel in their opening game, they turned the ball over to pitcher John Williams, who fired a 4-inning one-hitter and struck out 5 against Hopewell Valley. Offensively, the big blows came from Ryan Iovine and Matt Savis, who bat 3 and 4 in the Angels lineup. Iovine's infield single here helped ignite an 8-run fourth inning, and Savis, who'd already hit a solo homer in the first inning, followed this time with a double to center field that gave Sacred Heart a 6-1 lead. David Perenchief followed a few batters later with an RBI single, and the Angels added another run on a sacrifice fly by Matt Praskevich to make it 9-1. Of course, the Angels had held a 9-3 lead in a loss to Hopewell Valley on the first day of the tournament. This time it was important to close the deal.
We were up 9-3 and we ended up losing that game, so let's go get some retribution. Get out here and play your hardest, play 110%, and good things happen. That's what happened.
Ryan Iovine's second hit of the inning brought across 2 more runs, and this time there was literally no shot at a comeback. Sacred Heart won via the 10-run mercy rule. The Angels will face the Marlton Cardinals Wednesday night for the state title. As the losers bracket champion, Sacred Heart would have to beat the Cardinals twice in order to capture the championship.
Marlton's our arch enemy. They're our rival. We're good friends. We're good competitors. Go out there and play your hardest. Same thing. There isn't anything that these guys can't do. We've been around them for a while now. We've got a lot of new players here this year, and they're all great kids, great families, and it works out really well.